Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure Xbox Game Bar is enabled and that your microphone and system audio are assigned correctly. Open the overlay with Win+G. Once visible, pick the capture widget and test a quick 5-10 second clip. Make sure you choose the right audio source and toggle microphone capture if you need voice. If you see dropped frames, close browser tabs, or background apps consuming CPU and GPU to ensure smooth recording going forward. You now optimize capture settings to balance quality and performance. Go to Settings right arrow Gaming right arrow Captures and lower resolution or frame rate if you experience stutter. Once done, change the capture folder to a drive with ample free space and faster write speeds. Make sure OneDrive or syncing services aren't locking files. Also, decide whether background recording is necessary because continuous buffering can tax resources. Disable it to save CPU and disk throughput when you don't need instant DVR. You finish by running a full-length test recording and reviewing the file for audio sync, dropped frames, and visual artifacts. If you spot issues, update your GPU drivers and apply Windows updates because capture relies on current codecs and drivers. Make sure Game Bar has the necessary permissions in privacy settings. If problems persist, reset Xbox Game Bar from app settings or temporarily switch to a dedicated recorder. Doing so often isolates the fault and gets you recording reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.